In this video, we will show you how to register or subscribe a free trial on Spotify Premium. To get free trial on Spotify Premium, you need to open this website. Okay, spotify.com/US/premium. But your location must be on the United States or US. Okay, just hit enter after that. You can see with this link, you can get the $0 here and click get started. Okay, in here you can just using your account if you have existing account, or you can just click sign up for Spotify if you don't have one. Click this to get one for your account. Type your email address here, okay, and click next, and create your password and click next. Okay, the password must 10 characters minimum. Just click next, and this is your name, date of birth, and gender. After that, you can click next. The last is click sign up. Verify to reCAPTCHA here and click continue. After you fill the address, you can click just save address. In here, you can try to using PayPal or credit or debit card. Whatever payment you use, just select one. I'm choosing PayPal for example. And scroll down and select complete purchase. After you log in using PayPal account, you can just click agree and continue. Just click this. And that's all how you can using trial of Spotify Premium. Thanks for watching.